Have you ever tried to call a Kotlin inline function from Java, only to find it doesn't work as expected? It's a common issue that can leave you scratching your head. Today, we're diving into this topic to help you understand why this happens and how to tackle it. I totally get it. You write your Kotlin code and everything seems perfect. But when you switch to Java, the inlining just doesn't happen. You're not alone in this frustration. Many developers face this challenge. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. A user asked, "Why can't I call my Kotlin inline function from Java and have it inline as expected?" They shared their code, and it works perfectly in Kotlin, but when they try to use it in Java, it just calls a normal static method instead. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So, why does this happen? Kotlin's inline functions are designed to optimize performance by reducing the overhead of function calls. However, when you call them from Java, the inlining feature doesn't carry over. This is due to how Java interacts with Kotlin's compiled code. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a workaround that can help you achieve similar functionality when calling Kotlin from Java. To call a Kotlin inline function from Java, the user first needs to understand that inline functions are optimized during compilation. However, when called from Java, they behave like regular static methods. Next, the user should ensure that the Kotlin function is properly defined. In this case, the function getStyleNotCorrectException is defined as an inline function in Kotlin. Now, when the user calls this function from Java, they should be aware that it will not be inlined. Instead, it will be a standard static method call, as shown in the decompiled Java code. To summarize, the user can call the Kotlin inline function from Java, but it will not benefit from inlining. The function will execute as a regular static method, which is important to keep in mind for performance considerations. Fun fact, Kotlin was designed to be fully interoperable with Java, but some features, like inline functions, just don't translate perfectly. It's like trying to fit a square peg in a round hole. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. Here's the workaround I promised. Instead of relying on inlining, consider using higher-order functions or extension functions in Kotlin that can be called from Java. This way, you can still achieve some of the benefits of Kotlin's features. And there you have it. Understanding the limitations of calling Kotlin inline functions from Java can save you a lot of headaches. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button for more tips, and don't forget to share your experiences in the comments. An alternative approach shared by a user involves using a builder pattern in Kotlin and Java. In Kotlin, you can send an event using a Lambda function. In Java, you can achieve the same by implementing the function1 interface to handle the event.